Ladies and gentlemen, 3D artists of all ages, shapes, and sizes. Skill levels, skill sets, and programs of choice. The time has come for yet another chance to level up, learn new skills, and put your skills to the test. It's time for another 3D Community Challenge! This month, I am challenging you to use your 3D knowledge to build out this bare bones template into a fully fledged 3D scene. It's David versus Goliath, big versus small, an eternal battle between good versus evil in the Boss Fight 3D Community Challenge. Honestly, it's a great opportunity for you guys to create something fun and let your imagination soar. And at the end of the challenge, I'm combining all of your incredible creations into one mega all renders montage and a handcrafted top 100 montage, complete with an original score by a very special guest musician. Like honestly, I can't believe we actually got this guy. Let's see if you can guess who it is. For him, it was an early obsession with drums that called him to make music. He started his career making chiptune soundtracks and quickly went down in history with two of the best synth-based video game OSTs of all time. He scored a unique horror film in 2014 and went on to do a handful of others for studios like A24. He's legit one of my favorite artists, so it is insane to say that Disasterpiece is joining us to score the Boss Fight Top 100 3D montage, and I cannot wait to see your guys' art in the mix. But who's gonna help me pick the top 5 renders out of the thousands that you guys create? Well, our guest judge is off the charts as well. He started his career over 20 years ago as a Brazilian-based freelance 3D modeler. Since then, he's worked with Ubisoft, DC, Marvel, Hasbro, Sideshow Collectibles, Santa Monica Studios, and now Netflix, bringing your favorite characters from your favorite games to life. He's known as one of the greatest digital sculptors in the biz. The one, the only Rafael Grassetti is joining us on Boss Fight to hand select the top 5 and reveal the top 100 together live on stream. And if that's not exciting enough, get ready for the prizes. Joining us for the very first time are the good people over at Jenga Effects, makers of a real-time sim software called Embergen. No doubt you've heard of it, and they are stepping up to make the software free for all artists participating in Boss Fight during the month of August. Now, Embergen uses your GPU to simulate in real time and lets you bake out VDBs to use in any software you want. You can also import cameras and export images for fast compositing. It'll really honestly be an incredible resource for you guys while creating your scenes, so be sure to grab it for free for the month via the link below after this video. Oh, and the top 5 are of course walking away with Jenga Effects' entire suite indefinitely with permanent licenses, which includes Embergen and the soon-to-be released LiquidGen for real-time fluids and GeoGen for real-time environment generation. Next, we are joined by a company who's quickly becoming a challenge staple. Kaft is an artist-first Turkish design brand who's all about the slick designs and high-quality textiles. They're hooking up every top 100 artist with any t-shirt of their choice from their site. And if your art lands in the top 5, Kaft is throwing you guys $200 towards anything on their store. Truly, their designs are sick, and there's gonna be something for everyone on their site. So from 3D blockout to final render, using high-quality 3D assets is a fun way to speed up your workflow, and the good people at Kitbash3D are joining us to hook you up with free assets for your boss fight this August. Recently, Kitbash launched their new asset management software called Cargo, and it lets you search and filter through their entire library of over 10,000 premium models and materials. And once you find the exact asset you're looking for, you can import it into your Blender, Unreal, Cinema 4D scene with just one click. Cargo Basic is free to use and gives you guys instant access to over 125 plus models and materials that'll aid you during this challenge. Links below to get you guys started. But Cargo Pro is where it all gets unlocked for you with unlimited access to the entire Kitbash 3D library, and the top 5 artists are walking away with a 3-month subscription. And last but not least, y'all, our longest standing challenge partner, Rokoko, is stepping into the ring once again with a handful of goodies for y'all. First, let's talk about the tech available to everyone, and that's Rokoko Video. It's a free, no suit needed motion capture solution that takes your pre-recorded footage or direct webcam feed and processes a fully motion captured humanoid rig in no time at all. You can use it to say, like help fill in an animated crowd or animate a main character even. And since it'll be a handy tool during the boss fight challenge, I dropped you guys a link in the description below. Now, if your art comes in 3rd place, you'll receive a brand new pair of Rokoko SmartGloves, making hand and finger animation a breeze. Never again will you have to animate individual knuckles So you can either use them with a suit or completely stand alone. And if your render scoots into that second place spot, you'll be getting a whole freaking Smart Suit Pro 2. This thing is packed with elevation tracking, a 200 FPS capture speed, a 16 G-force range for high impact capture, and 100 meters of untethered tracking range. And my goodness, y'all, if your render comes in first place, Rokoko is shipping you the full performance capture bundle complete with a Smart Suit Pro 2, a pair of smart gloves, and the face capture bundle for full body motion capture. Now, I actually used their Smart Suit Pro 2 and these gloves here to capture a handful of hero animations as idea starters for you guys if you'd like to use them in your submissions. Now, it's not a requirement, but just a little something to get the ball rolling for y'all. But let's talk about the details, all right? How do you enter? When's the deadline? Let's get into it. Download the project files below. Inside, you'll find the template file for your program of choice, complete with 3 variations this time, a close, medium, and far range option, to allow for as many of your unique ideas as possible. As always, we try and keep the rules as simple as possible. You'll want to replace the boss and hero characters with your own, incorporate a sense of slow motion into your render, keep the action centered, and keep the camera orbiting the boss. That's it. Other than that, it's up to you to build out whatever you see in your mind's eye. Even though we try to keep it simple though, you guys will naturally have questions, and that's okay. So that's why we use Discord as the home base for these challenges, where we have a nice list of FAQs, guidelines for best practices, Monday meetups to go over your works in progress, and a massive community of artists to learn and grow with during this challenge and beyond. The deadline is Sunday, August 27th at 11:59 p.m. PST, which gives me just under a week to review your art, pick the top 100, and pull 5 winners with Raf Grossetti's help so we can reveal the top 100 and challenge winners to the world live on stream Saturday, September 2nd. On screen here, I have my entire content schedule, including the submission link release, top 100 and all renders montages, as well as a winner stream and personal art breakdown, so please mark them on your calendars. And throughout August, I'll live stream my art every Friday here on YouTube with you guys. Oh, and we got stickers too. My buddy Gabe Peregrino designed this sweet logo, and they're looking real nice. If you want to pick one up, it's a great way to support more challenges like this. I got a link below for you guys if you're trying to grab some. And right after this video, I'm kicking off the challenge with a live stream as well, where we'll cover any questions on rules, FAQs, we'll talk fun ideas and more. So come join me. I got the link right up here. It's also in the description, so come on. No excuses. Look, I'm streaming right now to hook you guys up with all the answers to all of your questions about this whole thing. So come on, ask me yourself, what are you waiting for? I'm giving away boss fight stickers too. Come on and join me. What do you got to lose? Look, all you gotta do is just click that link. Oh, just click the link!